Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. I'm going to show you how to install a mulch plug on your riding mower right after this. First thing you'll need to do is to check to see if you have one of these little posts like this one. If you don't, you're going to have to make a trip to the hardware store and pick up a couple parts. Okay, all this is a 1/4 inch bolt by 1 inch. You'll need to drill a 1/4 inch hole. You put the bolt in, then your nut, then a washer, your strap, and then your locking nut. You're going to want to leave the discharge chute on, then slide this in. Now there's no real instructions with this thing. Actually, there's no instructions with this thing. I was just going by the customer reviews and customer comments I found on Amazon. A lot of people had trouble with it staying on, so I'm going to try to figure out a way to keep it on. Now you're going to need a pair of pliers to pull the strap up and over. Then you're going to put the post, that little hole that's in the strap. This didn't come with no extra parts. What I have here is what the order actually came with. Just a plastic piece and a strap. Let's go ahead and see how it works. As you can see, it's letting a little bit of grass come out. I'm not mowing really fast, and I'm mowing on a level ground, but it doesn't take long for it actually to pop off. Let's go ahead and try something else. Now what I did was I drilled a couple holes and put screws in it. One in front, one in the back, and the strap is back on. Here's the screws I used. Now, it wasn't too bad drilling. It took a little bit of time, but I got them in. So let's go ahead, jump on the mower, and see how it works this time. Now, as you can see, there's nothing coming out, and I was able to mow my whole yard without any problems. I have about 1/2 acre. Let's go ahead and look at the results. Now, I do have mulching blades installed on the mower, and the grass was rather long when I cut it. Now, I'm pretty impressed. It did cut the grass even, and the pieces left on the ground aren't really all that big. A little bit bigger than what I'd like to have seen. But all in all, for 25 bucks, I'd say it's worth it. Just remember, it doesn't come with any instructions, and you're probably going to have to go out and get a few extra parts. I'll have links down below for you. Do me a favor, click that subscribe button, and as always, thanks for watching.